new parcel for my address. So I'm going to open it up. And I kind of have forgotten what's in it. But everything for diamond painting, hopefully. That's it. Ooh, some release sheets and a little scraper. Oh, yep. 2 little scrapers. Release sheets. Just plain. They'll be good. Very good. Oh. Some silicone. What do you call it? Glue? Or... And I just found out that blue tack works just as well. But anyway, I've got lots of these in different colours. Ooh. Some purple stuff. Oh, nice. Some multi-tools and a little roller. Some more. It's sealed, so I won't open it yet. A couple more trays. They're quite deceiving, like you think they'd be bigger than that. They'll be fine. Multi-tools and a new pen. Plastic, resin, I'm not sure. Got stars. Little roller, I guess that fits in there as well. Oh, have I got it in? I don't know. I'm guessing it goes in. Not sure how you put it in. Doesn't feel like it fits in there. I'm going to push it in. Nice roller to roll my diamond out when I'm finished. Feels nice. Soft. And I'm not 100% sure what this... Oh, it's sticky. What? I don't know what this is. What do I use that for? I don't know. Yeah, I'll have to look on the instructions. From the seller when I ordered this. I'm not actually sure what I got. So I got a little straightener, a single placer. That way. Oh, that's quite small. I wonder if it's a micro one. I still don't have tweezers. Darn. That's okay. This one, I'm not sure how many that will hold. 4 or 5, maybe. This one. Might be 2. Maybe that one will do about 4 or 5. It's cool. See how that goes. So I can put the longer one in that end. There we are. I'm going to try these and see if they work. And honestly, I cannot remember what's in this one. Hey, Hamish. Amber's in with Joey. It's things I can't remember what I ordered. It is the sealer for the diamond art. 2 little bottles. Instructions. See how clear they are. I'm not going to read them out now. A little brush and a little scraper. Yeah, that's good. Nice. Nice little haul. Keen to give this a go and see how that works. I've just about finished my current picture. Yeah, but it looks nice. Looks like it'll work. If anyone can comment below and tell me what this is, I would be very grateful. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll show you more unboxing and diamond art in the future. Thanks, bye.